Hello viewers, welcome to Friday Poster. Malayali singer Hania Iroz my guest, so let's welcome her. Hi Hania.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Welcome to Tollywood.
Thank you so
How
much.
does it feel? So this is your first Telugu film, Telugu song, and you're so young. I very few minutes back I heard that you are studying intermediate or plus two.
Yeah, I'm
So-
studying in 12th.
Something tell about you. We wanted to know about you.
Yeah, so this is my first song as a whole in the music industry as a whole. So I'm very excited to be working in a different industry rather than in Malayalam industry. I did have an opportunity of singing in one Malayalam movie, but it isn't really out yet. So this is my debut, and the people here and the team and everything, everybody is so nice to me, and I've been very comfortable since the time I reached here, and I am really looking forward to coming back here for another song.
So okay, what about your educational background? That you completed your intermediate or what?
No, I'm in 12th grade right now. I'm waiting to write the boards. So after that, I'll be probably I'll be doing something related to media because I'm interested in that as well. But obviously, as I have started my career in music, I'll be taking that along with me as well.
How do you manage both studies and like singing? How do you manage these both?
It's very difficult to be honest because as school is going on one side, that too online classes, I haven't been able to put my full effort in that as well because I've been concentrating on music for a while right now. And as this side of my life is going very well, the other side is a little bit too difficult to handle, but I'm trying my best to take it easy on myself.
Did you train up in any musical institute or have you been done any musical training under the any musical department or music people?
No, I haven't yet trained under any
Okay.
person. So I'm planning on taking training after school so that I can concentrate more on it because I have come a long way without training, but I really want to know what is there to, more to my music that I love. So I really want to learn more about this industry.
Okay. At what age that you are got the interest about music?
I have been singing since I was very little. I used to grasp tunes very fast rather than words. So I knew for a fact that I was really much linked with music. So the age when I started realizing that I need to take it as a career and I'm really passionate about it is when I started my 11th grade, I think. Then I started concentrating on it more. I sang a lot. I posted a lot of my songs online.
So you started posting your videos through Instagram, like
Yes.
TikTok or what?
I started posting through Instagram, I think during the lockdown.
Okay.
And I never expected it to reach many people. I just wanted people to find my music helpful, like soothing or make them happy basically. But I achieved something more than that and I'm very happy about it.
So what was the first appreciation that you got after posting in Instagram or what, any YouTube channel? What was the first appreciation that you got from your Malayalam industry?
Malayalam industry, actually I used to sing a lot more Hindi songs and Tamil songs rather than Malayalam, I'd say. Definitely used to sing a lot of Malayalam songs as well. But I'd say that I got more appreciation from my friends and the whole artist community on Instagram. That is the growing artist community. I received a lot of support from them. We even created a group to support each other and to just make it a whole positive platform. So that helped me a lot in actually posting more and being encouraged to post more.
So how did you got your first chance to sing the song in Malayalam?
That
Who
was
saw that? Who saw your video?
it was actually Govind Vasantha sir. He contacted me regarding this Malayalam song. So he was a listener of my covers online. So he has appreciated me before. So it was I was really surprised that he wanted my voice to be presented for his song. But yeah, I was very excited for that, and I'm still excited for it to come out, just like this movie song.
Okay. So after the Malayalam, Gopi Sundar sir, how did he reach you? How did you got that offer to work with Gopi Sundar?
He had hosted an audition, and I had simply to try my luck, I sent in my videos.
Okay.
So I didn't know that I didn't never expected to get selected, or I never knew what it was for. But I just knew that it was his work and it's going to be helpful for my career. And then he contacted me that evening saying that he wanted my voice for one of his works and he'd like to take a demo. And then we just sat down and wrote dummy lyrics, and we just sang the rough song, and they were really satisfied with the rough version. And then he breaked it to me saying that it's for a Telugu movie and it's coming under Allu Arjun's banner, and it really made me happy that that's going to be my debut, and I was really happy about it.
How many audition videos that he took belonging with your video? Like how many auditions that he got to select for this song?
I'm not sure about that, but he did put up the poster a few times to actually see a lot of artists and find a lot of artists for his different works. So I think he did go through a couple of voices to find me, but I'm glad that he did.
We knew that you are a big fan of Allu Arjun. Is it?
Yeah, I don't really watch Telugu movies often, but I do love his style, his dance style. So I watch his movies and songs for
all
that.
his movies used to dub in Malayalam. He has
Yeah.
huge fan base, huge crush in Malayalam. So tell something about Allu Arjun craze in Malayalam, because you do have a lot of friends. So you people used to see Allu Arjun films in theaters, and how does you enjoy yourself while watching Allu Arjun film with your friends?
Allu Arjun movies are generally energy packed. It's the dance for sure, and that is something everybody looks forward to. And he is among the Malayalis. He is one of them, and people have accepted him just like that. And it's really surprising to accept another actor of an other industry just like our own. So that's a great thing that us people were doing.
Did you met him?
No, I haven't yet.
Okay. So can you sing a song of Allu Arjun's, the film which was dubbed in Malayalam? Allu Arjun songs.
Oh, I'm not sure.
Okay, fine. Okay. Do you sing Telugu songs?
I'm not like
You are not sure about lyrics.
lyrics.
How could you manage without knowing the language, because you don't know Telugu? So is it difficult to sing a song in Telugu without knowing the language?
Yeah, I think it would be more difficult. It would be more easier if I knew the language, because I'll know the meaning of the lyrics and I'll know what feel to give it. But Gopi Sundar sir and everybody did help me out through it, and it was very difficult. I mean, it was just like any other song, just like Hindi or Tamil, where I do not speak both the languages. But it was a different experience because people were there to help me out throughout the song, and they were very patient with me, and I was happy with the whole situation.
Can you sing that Most Valuable Bachelors movie song that was going to release on April 5th?
Sure.
ఆకాశమంతా ఆనందమై తెల్లరుతోంది నా కోసమై ఆలోచనంతా ఆరాటమై అన్వేషిస్తోంటే ఈ రోజుకై.
Nice. So, what was your favorite song in Malayalam? Pick up your favorite song in Malayalam and just sing, hum the few lines.
Yeah, sure.
പൂക്കുവയിൽ പൂക്കുല പോൽ നീ എന്നെ കാന്തവീഥികളിൽ ഓടിവരും സൗരഭമായി ചായും നെഞ്ചിൻ കൂട്ടിൽ നീ ഇനി ചിലതില്ലേ ഹൃദയത്തിൽ പല നാളായി വിടരാതെ അവയെല്ലാം ഒരുപോലെ ഉണരാറായി ചിലതുണ്ടെന്നധരത്തിൽ പകരാനായി കഴിയാതെ അവയെല്ലാം പൊതിയുന്നു പ്രിയമാരെ ഹൃദയത്തിൻ നിറമായി പ്രണയത്തിൻ തലമായി പനിനീർമലരായി നിറയൂ നീർമണിയായി വന്നുതിരും അനുരാഗക്കുളിരേ ഈരാവിനൊരാലിംഗനമേകൂ.
Nice. Who is your favorite hero in Kollywood? Vijay, Dalapati Vijay.
Yeah, definitely. He's another energy-packed artist.
Like Allu Arjun.
Yes, yeah. So I do love that kind of a vibe.
Could you sing any song of Dalapati Vijay's film?
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
നീതാനേ 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 നെഞ്ചേ തട്ടും സത്തം അഴകായുടേ നീ ഇന്നാരെ വാഴും അർത്ഥം ഇരം പൂസിക്കൊള്ളും സത്തം ഇങ്ങ് നീയും നാനും மற்றும் ഇത് കവിതയോ നീതാനേ നീതാനേ കൺകൾ തേടും ഇன்பം ഉയിരിൻ തിരയിൽ ഉൻ പാൽ ബിംബം.
Nice. Any Hindi song?
मंजिले रुसवा है खोया है रास्ता आए ले जाए इतनी से इल्तिजा ये मेरी ज़मानत है तू मेरी अमानत है मुझको हीरा दे दे कसमें दिवाते दे मेरी दुआओं के इशारों को सिखाते दे दिल को दिखाते दे नए बहाने दे ख्वाबों की बारिशों को मौसम के पैमाने दे अपने करम की करदा है कर दे इधर भी तो निगाह है सुन रहा है ना तू रो रही हूँ मैं सुन रहा है ना तू क्यों रो रही हूँ मैं.
Who's your favorite singer?
My favorite singer would be Shreya Ghoshal.
Okay. And in male?
In male, it's very difficult to be honest. Vijay Yeshudas,
Yeah.
an amazing voice he has, and to even meet him, I'll be very.
Did you met him?
No, no,
Okay.
I haven't.
Who's your favorite music director?
Music director A.R. Rahman sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought the same. I expected the same answer that you're going to tell Shreya Ghoshal because everyone's favorite she
Yeah.
is. So any other projects that you got in any other languages? Like, are you trying to work in any other languages?
I really do want to expand my music. I don't want it to be constrained with one single language. I want many people to enjoy it. I want to sing in different languages, and I just want to make people happy with my music. So I don't want to restrict myself into Malayalam alone or Telugu alone as of now. And yeah, I'm definitely going to sing a lot more on other industries as well.
Except Allu Arjun, did you watch any other Telugu heroes films?
No.
Do you know any other Telugu heroes?
Other than Akhil Akineni, I am not familiar with
Okay.
other Telugu heroes and actors.
Mahesh Babu, Pawan Kalyan.
Yes, I've heard their names and I've seen them, but I
Okay.
haven't. I'm not really into Telugu movies because I don't understand. Definitely, I'll start watching more of Telugu movies from now.
All the very best. Best wishes for your career.
Thank you
Wishing
so
you
much.
the best
Thank you.
always.
Thank you.
This is a special interview. This is Ramya signing off.